In this video, we're going to talk about our new Push Button Rosette, which attaches between an ARRI standard hand grip and an ARRI standard rosette. It allows you to quickly push a button and reposition your hand grip rather than having to loosen a thumb screw. It comes in a right and a left version, which we'll look at more closely later, but since we're going to install this on the right side of our camera, we'll choose the right version. Use a 4mm Allen wrench, which is included, and tighten the screw into place. Next, we'll take our ARRI standard hand grip and align it with the rosette on the push button. Now that our hand grip is installed, we can push the button and rotate it to a new position. In this configuration, we're using our shoulder rig V2 with the extensions and hand grips, and we're using 4 push button rosettes, 2 on the left side and 2 on the right side. With the left and right versions, the push button lever is in the proper thumb position. The same 4mm Allen wrench that's used to install the push button rosette can also be used to adjust the tension. We'll install it in our socket cap screw in the back here. Rotating it counterclockwise will reduce the amount of tension, making it more easy to position. And rotating it clockwise will make it tighter and more firm. Another great feature of the push button rosette is that it's quick to set up and tear down your shoulder rig. With a simple push of a button, you're ready to pack your bag. These products are all available in our store now.